Recording.
All right, so we just left the Wolfpen Gap store, and you see that a whole bunch of Porsches and Lambos, some Corvettes came in. While we were there, we did see a local deputy sheriff running radar. I'm going to guess he's waiting to make some money on Georgia 60. It is now 9 o'clock in the morning. We are heading across Wolfpen Gap. Wolfpen Gap is definitely one of those roads that you want to ride at least one time in your lifetime. Just know that the speed limit on this road is very low. But in the little bit of time that we were sitting at the store having a Red Bull, there were a lot of motorcycles coming off this road. Since we did see a deputy come off this road, I wouldn't be surprised if we run into a deputy somewhere between here and US 129 on a Saturday morning. Yeah, why wouldn't you want to sit out here and make money? Look how beautiful this is. The sun's up, all the fog is burned out. It's probably about 70 degrees. And we have turns. Just remember that one saying that Honda used to tell us back in the day, and you should live your life by this very one saying: one good turn deserves another. One good turn deserves another. Some of these houses back in here have been on this planet forever. A little water wheel back there. Lake Winfield Scott. It feels like I should know who that is, but yeah, not today. If you know who Winfield Scott is and you're watching this video, hey, put it in the comments below. Let us all know. It feels like Winfield Scott was a writer. There's the lake right there. Boop, boop. That's pretty cool, right? The lake's right next to the road. Look at that old beater. I don't know about you guys, but I am not a fan of old cars. Not a fan of new cars with all the modern technology and the fact that they call home and let the manufacturer know everything you're doing in your car. Here you go. Look at the speed limit. 25. 25. That's 5 miles slower than Deals Gap. And the curves aren't they're not any more aggressive. They're not even as aggressive as what Deals Gap is. And again, I can remember when this road was 55, just like Deals Gap, 55 mile an hour all the way through. There's our bicycle. And I'm going to stop this video here and start a new one. This will be part 1. Hit that like button.
Recording.
Alright, we're back. Wolfpen Gap, part 2. 918. .5 mile an hour speed limit. Insane. That is just insane. You can walk this road faster than 25 mile an hour. Well, maybe your fat ass can't. If you don't think it's pretty through here, there's something wrong with you. feeling my rear brake pads are wore out. I'm hearing some annoying squeaking when I hit that rear brake pedal. The two switchbacks on this road are kind of cool too. But now we're towards the end. This road's over. We'll be on US 129 again before you know it. I'm betting you can coast down this mountain on a bicycle faster than 25. I wonder if they pull over bicyclists for speeding on this road. I bet they don't. Just the motorcycles. Here's your Vogel State Park. We are almost to US 129 right now. There's a little lake here next to us. You can actually see 129 through the trees over there. Woo! We made it through here without seeing any law enforcement. Alright, here's US 129. We're going to make us a left. And thanks for watching. Smash that thumbs up, please.